So what do I do? Let's see. First, I collect feedback from every possible source. Customers, sales, customer support, even the neighbor's dog if it has an opinion.
Hey, buddy, what do you think about interactive demos?
Then I try to create a demo that incorporates all of it. I did once spend an entire week debating whether the button should be blue or green, but it happens.
In sales, um, you sorry, what was the question again? I love sales.
In pre-sales, you have to coordinate everything well, or it all crashes and burns. I spend my days building demos for each prospect, answering every possible question, and then doing it all over again the next day. It's awesome.
Once the deal is closed, it's my job to make sure that the customer actually uses the product how they are supposed to.
Can you tell me how to log in?
Sure, there's the login button, the big one on the top right.
Can you perhaps send me a demo for it?